Hi guys, it's George here from our new brand Hunters Prestige. I thought I'd just take time to tell you who we are and what we're about. So, we're a UK-based new Defender L663 parts specialist that supplies and fits anything and everything Defender. Last year we had 163 new Defenders in our workshop, and this year we're looking to double it. We've already had 71 Defenders in so far, and we're not even for April. Our warehouse is fully stocked of new high-quality parts and accessories with a never-ending room for growth and development of new products and retrofits. We may be a new company, but we're nowhere near new to what we do. Myself and the team here at Hunters Prestige have years of experience working with new Defenders. Our technicians take extreme care when fitting our wide range of products and retrofits. We also have thorough quality checks before our orders are packed and dispatched to you guys worldwide. Hunters Prestige is about helping you to create your unique Defender without the hefty price tag that comes with anything being bespoke. Along with all the parts and accessories we fit and supply, unlike other companies, we have an in-house retrofit and activation service, which, if you guys stay tuned to our socials, we may have something special coming soon to you. So make sure you like, share and subscribe to stay tuned to Hunters Prestige. Hunters by name, Prestige by nature.